Did you catch a big fish?
Did you catch a big fish? Look.
Here. You hold your pole.
Here.
I'm going to hold the fish.
He's talking.
Look here. Look at Christy.
Look up here. Wow. Is that yours? Off your pole. He's talking. Do you hear him talk?
Watch so she don't get in that hook.
Yeah.
Yeah, Grandma go put him in the